Today we will solve question number 4 of exercise 13.5, chapter surface areas and volumes, class 9th. Question is, find the cost of digging a cuboidal pit. एक cuboidal pit बनाना है. What will be the cost of digging the pit? 8 meter long, 6 meter broad and 3 meter deep. We will write length of cuboidal pit, let it be L. Length is 8 meters, 8 meter long. Then width of cuboidal pit, let it be V. This one is 6 meters. Then depth of cuboidal pit, let it be H, जैसे हम height consider करते हैं. And this one is 3 meters, 3 meters deep. Now, at the rate of rupees 30 per meter cube, rupees 30 per meter cube, ये बात की बात है. Firstly, we will find the volume of the cuboidal pit. हमें कितना पिट बनाना है, उसका वॉल्यूम कितना होगा, that will be in meter cube, cubic meters we can say. So firstly we will find volume, कितना पिट बनाना है. After that we can find the cost of digging. Volume of cuboidal pit, we know for cuboid volume is L into B into H. We multiply the three dimensions, 6, 8 into 6 into 3, that is L into B into H. Now 46, 8 into 6, it will be 48, multiply by 3, 144 meter cube. This one is the volume. Now we will write cost of digging 1 meter cube. 1 meter cube के लिए cost according to question, this one is rupees 30, that is 1 meter cube के लिए 30 rupees cost होगी. Likewise for 2 meter cube, अगर 2 meter cube होता है इसका volume तो 2 multiply 30, for 3 meter cube 3 multiply 30, for 4 meter cube 4 multiply 30, but here we have 144 meter cube. So हम 30 को multiply करेंगे 144, it will be 4320 rupees. This one is the cost of digging cuboidal pit of given dimensions. That is cost of digging cuboidal pit of 144 meter cube at the rate of rupees 30 per meter cube. So this one is question number 4. Now question number 5. Capacity of a cuboidal tank is given. Find the breadth of the tank if its length and depth are given. Now we have cuboidal tank. Length and depth are given. थोड़ा सा मैं टाइम सेव करूंगा. We have length of cuboidal tank. This one is question number 5. Question number 5. Length of cuboidal tank. This one is L. Now length of tank is 2.5 meters and depth is 10 meters. ये भी terms multiply होंगी, change हो जाएंगी. Firstly, length of cuboidal tank is 2.5 meters. Depth of tank is 10 meters. And capacity means volume. Volume of tank is 50,000 liters. 50,000 liters. इसको liters में convert कर दिया. 50,000 liters. Find the breadth of the tank. अब breadth of the tank के लिए हम क्या use करेंगे? इसको भी मैं erase कर दूंगा यहाँ से. We know volume of cuboid is L, B, H. Now 50,000 1000 liters. We know 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liters. That is, अगर हमें मीटर क्यूब को लीटर्स में कन्वर्ट करना है, we will multiply it by 1000. बट अगर लीटर्स को मीटर क्यूब में कन्वर्ट करना है, we will divide it by 1000. So we will divide the same result by 1000. एक बार फिर चेक कर लें. This is 50,000. Yes, exactly. This is 50,000 liters. So now this one is converted into meter cube, because 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liters, or we can say 1 liter equals to 1 by 1000 meter cube. That's why हमने यहाँ 1000 से divide किया. Now length is 2.5 into b हमें find करना है, h 10 meters. 3 zeros cancel हो जाएंगे यहाँ से. 1000 और 3 zeros हमने यहाँ से cancel कर दिए. Now we are left with 50. We can write it as 2.5 को मैं लिख रहा हूँ 25 by 10 into b into 10 equals to 50. Again 10 gets cancelled. Now we are left with 25 into b. So we will find b. मैं 25 को यहाँ नहीं लिख रहा हूँ, मैं यहाँ लिख रहा हूँ, तो मैं divide कर दूंगा इससे. Now the result is 50 upon 25. We know 25 into 250 होता है. That's why breadth becomes 2 meters. So this one is the breadth of cuboidal tank. If its volume is given, its length and depth are given, then breadth is equal to 2 meters. This is question number 5 of exercise 13.5. Thank you.